Welcome students to our today's lesson. Today we are going to learn on how to construct involutes, and an involute, it is diagram which takes this particular shape. So this is the shape of an involute, and we have got two methods of constructing these involutes. The first method is the use of a square. The second method is the use of a circle. So for this case, we are going to construct an involute in a square. To construct an involute in a square, you have been given the dimensions of 20 millimeters. So we are going to start by drawing a square of 20 millimeters. If that is my starting line, should measure 20 millimeters. This is A, then we have B, this is now your square of 20 millimeters sides. So this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So there are a number of lines that I should consider. So I will consider this line. I will extend this particular line, then I will extend also this line. Then after that, I will extend this other line. Then lastly, I will consider this line. So you can see that I've considered a number of lines. I've considered this line, this line, this line, and this line. So you can see that I'm leaving one line in each. So in this case, I've not constructed this line. In this case, at point A, I've not yet protruded this line. At C, I've not yet protruded this line. And at D, I've not protruded this line. I've considered this line, this line, this line, and this line. So you should note that. That should be like an NB before you start. Then after that, this will be the starting point of your involute. So with your pair of compass, using the same measurements, you measured the 20 millimeters that you used to draw the square. So you will step at A, then put a mark at this line, Let me label it at 1 as 1. Then again, using the same measurements of 20 millimeters, you will step at C, then put 2 marks. So this is 1, 2. Then again, using the same measurements, I will step at point D. Then now you can see I've put how many marks? We have 1, 2. So at point D, I will put 3 marks. So we have 1. So for this case, we have 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. Now, at this particular line, I will put 4 marks. So this will be the first one using the same measurements of 20 millimeters. So I will step at B. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 4 in number because a square has got 4 sides. So once if this is a square of 20 millimeters sides, if you try to draw the same square in one line, it will be having these sides. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these points should be 4 in number. So this will be the starting line. So starting at point B, I will draw a very fair curve. So that is my fair curve. You can see that I have started from point B. It has passed through point 1 to point 2 to point 3, then finally to the last point, which is point 4. So that is the procedure of constructing an involute to a square. For this case, we had been given a square of sides 20 millimeters. So thank you so much, students. Get to use the same procedure and draw your own involutes. So get to copy this question in your separate exercise book. Do not copy the drawings inside the same space that you are drawing there, that you are writing the questions. So you should be having 2 separate books, one for writing the notes, the questions and the rest, then the other one containing purely the drawings. So thank you so much, students. Let's meet in our next lesson.